Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to All Things Morris. I've just come to see one of my friends who's a panel beater paint sprayer, and he's got a nice car for us to have a look in the workshop. It's just a shell, it's been restored, it's all done, and we'll have a look at it. And this is what greeted me when I walked in. It's a Mark 1, a Mark 2 Droop Snoop RS2000. I'm not sure of the colour name, but I think it's Daytona Yellow. I'll ask him in a minute. What colour yellow is it, Glenn? Signal yellow. Not Daytona, it's signal yellow. Somebody would have left me a comment and told me. It does look well. The front for it is in the booth still. We'll have a look at that in a minute. All the engine bay is done, as you can see. I'm not going to lift the bonnet, I don't want to put any fingerprints in it. There's just a few bits to do. Put the front on. It's ready. We'll have all the mechanicals put back on it. The black bits. Doors are done, the insides, floor pans, things in booth. Is in booth. What? Fiesta, yeah. Now, Glenn, they're here. Glenn. Just show you the front. If somebody could put me a light on. Right, we've got one that don't want to be on camera here. ready to go back on. Dinner's here. That's all the bits for the Mark II RS2. Something else is doing. Volkswagen Caravelle. Where the battery sits. I can tell you that the VIN number is in the plate top, but I'm not going to show it you. Bulkhead looks well. It's a fine job. That's the boot floor. Bit dusty. Little clean. Some stickers there, look. Another one back on the road, eventually. Beetle shell up there. That's the Volkswagen. Tucked in this corner is a Rover 90, I think. Or is it a P4? Some nice stuff in this garage. That's that one. Star of the show though, RS2000. Thanks for watching. If you find anything else, we'll bring them to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you don't mind. We'll see you on the next one.